These dried leaves were the definitive cure to remove bad cholesterol and remove my diabetes. Guava is one of the fruits to which we can take more advantage as far as health is concerned. Both with its fruit and with the roots of the plant we can prepare infusions, juices and many other remedies. This is rich in vitamins B and C, in addition to fiber, which makes it very useful to combat many evils. On the other hand, it has high levels of quercetin, oxidant compound that prevents the appearance of cataracts. If you want to know how to take advantage of these and other benefits of this plant, we encourage you to continue reading this article. Benefits of guava. 1. Strengthens the defenses. Due to its high content of vitamin C, guava strengthens the body's defenses. As a result, we generate resistance to many respiratory diseases, making it difficult for us to catch them. On the other hand, this fruit has anti-inflammatory properties, useful to reduce the inflammation of our organs. For this reason, it is recommended to consume 1 guava a day either in juices, salads, infusions or fruit alone. 2. Combat dengue. One of the reasons we get sick with dengue fever is because of platelet deficiency. Nevertheless, the extract of the guava leaves elevates the platelet of our body, fighting this evil. For this, we must boil 9 leaves in 5 cups of water until 2 cups are evaporated. Taking this infusion 3 times a day will be enough to get your benefits. 3. Prevents and fights cancer. Lycopene, quercetin, polyphenols, vitamin C and anti-cancer and anti-tumor properties are present in the guava. All of them help us prevent the progression of free radicals that cause tumors. In addition, recent research has shown the reduction of prostate tumors by guava consumption. In the same way, your intake reduces the chances of suffering from cancer. 4. Avoid weight gain. Its tea influences the process of carbohydrate assimilation performed by the liver. Since it reduces the assimilation of carbohydrates, it prevents us from gaining unnecessary weight.